Hello mga repa, mga moms. Today is a blessed Sunday after church. Kids are so excited. We're here again in Great Wolf Lodge. Wow. Look at
That's
that.
a big chunk building.
I know.
Turn right, then turn right.
Hopefully
Picture muna tayo bago tayo.
Yes, picture muna tayo. Baka di. Let's go, guys.
I want to go to the water park.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the water park. Johan, are you ready? But Tim L'Oreal is coming here in the Great Wolf Lodge. Let's go.
Where's
To
the
the other side.
bracelet?
Later, we're gonna get bracelet here.
No, I don't allow you to go to Great Wolf Lodge.
Yeah, we're gonna get there. Ano ka?
Wow!
So, ayun naman. Dito naman tayo sa Great Wolf Lodge, mga repa. Adventure begin na naman dito sa Great Wolf Lodge. Yeah. Let's go, Han. Let's go check in there.
Upo na lang muna kami ka lang.
Okay. Excited na naman to. Ayun, oh. Tingnan mo, oh. Oh, look at the face. Excited na naman to mga Power Ranger ko. Let's go.
Daddy,
Ito ang galing, may credit card na siya.
hold it.
Tingnan tayo repo sa room natin. It's open using our bracelet. Yeah, it's open. So like this though. Supposedly 4 PM pa siya available. Diba? Pero pagka malinis na, pwede natin pumasok. So yun no. So pansin niyo parang hindi na tayo surprised no. Kasi we're always ordering this type of Queen Deluxe two bedroom. Kasi mas kumbaga komportable. So this is a deluxe, same thing pa rin, 89, hindi pa kasama tax. So an oven, fridge, may TV. So you got a good view here. But hindi na sa indoor water park, sa labas din naman. May kapihan pa doon, no? Treasure chest, sofa, same paintings. So, lagi namin ginagawa ito kasi this is very, very, kumbaga, spacious para sa aming apat. I should say. Siyempre, CR. Ganda yung CR nito. Yan, luwang siya. So, yan. Ito lang dala namin, no? Kasi we're always coming in here. Kumbaga, sanay na. Tsaka mga, yan, pwede kang magpasok ng pagkain. This is one good thing here. You can bring inside food. Outside food. So yan, mag-abis muna tayo tapos punta tayo sa swimming pool. Go! At syempre, no, dala pa rin natin yung ating MacBook. Syempre, kasi may client tayo mamayang gabi. Isa lang naman yon. So this is what's good in my business kasi even though I am on vacation, I can do that anywhere as long as my Wi-Fi and my laptop are here. So goods to go tayo. Yun ang maganda dyan sa business natin na to. So mamaya pa yung gabi. So we have a lot of activities this evening. So enjoy muna tayo. Ubis muna tayo mga repa. Let's go! Ready na tayo mga repa, no? Ano lang naman tayo, short. Ayan, short lang. Tapos syempre ganyan long sleeve kasi hindi pa naman ganun kaganda ng katawan natin, no? So, yan. Maluwang, no? Napaka-cozy, ang ganda ng lugar, malinis. At hanggang ito, kahit na ulit-ulitin namin ito muna dito, we're still coming back here kasi nga napakaganda, napaka-cozy. Tsaka, ayan, queen size yan, no? So, tig-dalawa kami dyan, dalawang kambal, dalawa dito si Mrs. So, yan, puntakan sila. Na makalimutan, kumain ko na itong mga chips. Ayan. Mga repa, pupunta na tayo doon sa blue. Ito yun, malaki. Papunta na tayo, mag-ano tayo dyan, mag-rides na tayo. Laging once lang eh. Isang beses lang laging kambal dyan eh. Subukan natin ulit. Ito sila. Okay. Let's go, John! Ano na punta?
Yay!
We have fun. We're done with the blue. Yung slide. Slide. See? They're not scared anymore.
Yes, they're brave.
Where will we go? Yeah. Next naman natin, Ray 5, yung basketball. Pero wala pa kayong bola, makikinuha mo na kayong bola. 3 feet lang ito, 3 feet.
Ayan po mga repa, no? Sa wakas nakakuha na sila ng bola. Kanina kasi wala silang bola. Hindi pa pala. Walang gusto mag-share ng ball.
Grabe, tapang na nila. Sinubukan namin yung pinakamalupit na ride sa twister. Kain na nila, tsaka abot na sila doon. Natapang na ng kambal. Hindi ko lang makuha lang kasi syempre, cellphone man to, mababasa. Pero the best, ang galing. I'm proud of my son. Kain na nila. Diwan sila, punta kami mag-ina ko. Oh. Hi! Joan, Jaden, Joan! Joan, Joan! Oh, Joan! Kaya nag-wave-wave. Ito yung paborito nila, nag-wave-wave. Paborito nila yan. Ano mga repa, mga moms, kambal, ayan, nakabubigis na para sa night activity, evening activities natin. For the time being, we're gonna go here in the arcade. But we're gonna get the bunny ears first, come on. What's up? Naka-floral tayo, di ba? Get bunny ears. May mga activity dito, kahit mga ganyan, mga wand. But hindi muna sila ngayon so far. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Still, there's a lot of people there, right? Come on, guys, let's go. It's going down. Come on. Come on, guys. Got there, Jaden. That's for your mom.
What ear?
It should be like, oh yeah, very good. Pikachu and well, who are you? Who are you?
Grinch.
The Grinch?
Nice Grinch.
Nice Grinch. Okay. All right, let's picture tayo dun sa bear. Let's take a picture with the bear, okay? Then arcade after. This is what they want.
Oh, I
Let's go to arcade.
Cringe.
What Grinch? I'm gonna buy credits first. Ito paborito nila. Maski ako, paborito ko to eh. Gusto manalo nun eh. What's that? Let's go. Ayan o, bibili tayo dito ng ng card. Ito, may card na tayo. Nakalimutan natin dalhin yung card natin eh. May resibo. Tax write-off. What? Let's play, come on.
How many tickets?
This one, I got 150. Let's go, let's try. What you want? You want to try this? Alright, let's see. Okay, Jaden first. Yeah, very good. Go ahead. You have 48 seconds. 48 seconds, oh. See? Look at this Jaden, oh. 47 seconds. Make sure. It's okay. Better luck next time. Oh, super. It's okay. Okay, show me. Oh, see? You won already. Jaden, hindi lang nakuha ng camera, oh. But we won the ball, right? You get that one. Hey, no one getting the ball. See? We won. How about this one? You want? Thank you, Lord. Oh, why you're not touching this one? Minecraft? Okay, I will try. You want me to try? Thank you, Lord. Say, thank you, Lord. We won. Galing, natsamba ko yun, Okay. Okay, go. Hey, almost. Daddy naman, daddy. Wow. Go, Jaden. Shoot target. Go, shoot target. Go, shoot. Shoot.
I can't.
It's okay, no problem.
Small.
Press. Oh, number na. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Tinatat sila ngayon
Oh, nakailang road launch na tayo? Pangatlo na to? Pang-apat, no?
Oo, pa.
Nanalo rin sa wakas ng ganun. Kasi counter, ano here? There.
Yan, ika-count na nila yung tickets nila. Nice. Jaden, John, do it. Do it, love. Nice. Nice. Wow, that's a lot.
Ask them what more you can get. 80 tickets.
80 tickets sila.
$35 ang dami. Mga
Magkano?
$35 ang dami na namin game. 180 points.
Oh, nice. Ayun na, wala. Pakita niya daw sa akin paano nanalo, okay?
Bilang ka.
Swerte.
Ano
Able.
nakuha ni Jaden?
Ano?
Ganda mo. Parang pang-basketball na. Dito at Chensa. Mahal ko. Maynila. So this is one of their activities for tonight is yung artwork. Yeah, there you go. They will be given with ano ang tawag ko dito? Pencil case. So what's inside, Jaden? Maybe pencil, maybe Crayola. So ito talaga yung nilook. Ito talaga yung nilook forward natin dito eh. Di ba?
Solo pa nga sila ng table.
Yeah. Alright, that's good. Okay, enjoy guys, okay? Alright. Halika Han, dito muna tayo, date muna. Han, mag-date muna tayo. Habang nandyan sila Han. Nice ba? So what are you doing right now in this craft school? Jade. What are you doing?
I'm coloring.
Coloring. Is it fun?
Yeah.
Are you enjoying here Great Old Blood so far?
Yeah.
And then right after this, we're gonna have a dance after eating, right? After this, we're gonna eat, okay?
Pizza maker.
Huh?
Pizza maker.
Take a look in here. What are you doing, guys?
You wanna share? Oh, you share? Yeah.
Oh, you share, Joanne. You got a friend. Ayan, kakain na tayo ngayon. Dito ngayon tayo sa buffet. Where's your place, Han? Here? I like the place. Okay, search. Okay, look for your meal, dinner. Let's see. Mamatay, gutom na talaga. Gutom na sila. Gutom na sila talaga, Han. Sige, Han. We can leave them alone there. Okay. You ordered drinks, Han? You ordered drinks? Excuse me. Okay. I think nag-order tayo pero ano yung matusawa man yun? Naalala ko dati.
Okay, eto na. Kinuha namin yung dinner buffet. Kasi lumabas pa kami.
Oh.
What? You want ketchup?
Ketchup? Sure. Get ketchup, okay? Move slowly, move slowly.
Gutom.
Magkano to, Han? Magkano? Yung adult?
Adult is
24.
24.99.
Eh, ang dami yung panalo. May brisket, tapos may mga ribs ka pa. So it's everything, right? There's a lot of veggies. Tapos kung gusto mo salad yan, may salad din na station. At syempre may dessert din. So, panalo talaga siya. Ay, ito, malupit dito yung chili cheese steak. Appreciate you, sir.
No problem.
Thank you. Di ba, panalo. Di ba, ubusin mo ngayon yan. Walang kanin-kanin na dito sa States. Sarap. Thank you. So, ito nga yung repa, no? Imagine, puro meat to. Grabe, sulit pala talaga. Tapos may pili cheese stick pa. $9 sa bata, 24 kami. Ang daming meat, ang daming pagpipilian, may salad. So hindi ko lang kinuha pa, mamaya na lang siguro.
Yun na alam na Pinoy.
Mouth watering na. And not watering. What's that? So the kids are loving it. $9 lang. Unlimited buffet. But look at this one, $24. Look, see?
Yeah.
How's the rice?
Masarap.
Sarap? Masarap? May lasa? Imagine na may brisket beef, may salmon, may chicken, may ribs. Nagatakam na ako, unlimited dessert. And let's go. Thank you, Lord. Storytelling.
Let's ride the slide. All right, my friends, on the count of three. Break out.
Nagugulito yung asawa ko. Hello. What's up? Ayos ah. Maganda kayo pwesto natin ah. Sila. Doon pa rin. Oo. Tama. Mga pa. It's our last day. Check out time na. Pero gagawin nga. Stay pa rin ang kamba. Naligo pa rin doon. Kasi ngayon yata may activity sila. Mag-ano sila. Mag-coloring. Artwork. Di ba? Enjoy. Stay talaga. Alam mo mga bata, sobrang. Ayan yung looking forward nila talaga ito eh. Kung activity na ito, pagpunta namin dito sa Clifford Lodge. Kaya asawa ko. Thank you for visiting Great Pope Lodge. Ganda ng morning, oh. Ang laki ng parkingan nila dito. Kaso nga lang may bayad na yung parking ngayon. Dati wala eh. 16. Bayad na. Sana next time natanggal na nila yun, no? Katulad pa rin dati. Yan. Lagay natin mga malita natin mga repa. Thank you, Great Pope Lodge. Pero nandiyan pa sila. Hindi pa ako uuwi. Hindi pa pala kami uuwi. Hanggang alas 2 pa sila yan. Hanggang alas 3. Kasi nga, good morning mga repa. Here is Team Laberial. Hello, good morning guys. Come on. Yes. Welcome na. Breakfast. Hungry na sila. Lagi lang pinapakaramdaman yung tiyan nila.
Okay, din gutumin yan. Doon naman yun.
The school is so
open
close.
na?
No,
The
still
pool is-
close.
Ano oras may mag-open?
I think 8 or 9.
8?
Still close. Yeah. Let's go guys.
I think you're supposed to.
Yeah, because you know, people still sleeping. Let's go down for breakfast. Tapos na yata yoga nila, no? Or else na ba pa? Yoga! Sa tutulog ko. Sa tutulog
I
ko.
want to go flush.
So, ayan, no? Sub breakfast. Sulit na naman yung breakfast ng dalawa. See, oh? They love their tots, their... walang kamatayang
here if you want.
nuggets. Yung nuggets sila, di ba ito? Parang McDo? Si McDonald's. So, enjoy tayo mga repa. So, next time, kukunin ko talaga sa parehas na. No? Makakamura pala konti. Parehas din naman eh. Kasi lumos ka pa, di ba? Okay, enjoy. What you gonna do there? Jade, what you gonna do? What you going to do now? Huh? Yoga class? Alright, enjoy guys. Remove your slippers if you want to go do yoga. Put your slipper aside. Put your slipper aside. Nag-ano sila, nag-yoga na sila.
After kumain,
After kumain, nag-yoga. Oh. Eagle pose, eagle pose. Paano yung eagle pose na yan? Oh. Tayo, hindi makana. Hindi ang...
Tree peaks. Let's do that tree pose.
Ay, so,
Balance, rest your heel on in. It was a
Pikachu.
great morning.
Habang Pikachu ito.
Particular special day for Hollywood. Because it was a his favorite holiday.
Good morning mga repa, no? So, yan. 9:30 na. So, we are packing up our things. But ang kagandahan dito, kung kahapon, maaga kami pumunta, daw wala pa yung kwarto namin, pwede na kayo mag-swimming, di ba? So, 4 PM ang usual check-in, pero nakita nyo naman, baka 2 o'clock. Nag-start na kami mag-swimming. Pwede pa maaga, 11, 12, it's up to you. Basta yung gagamit nyo sa sasakyan muna. And then, one more good thing here is that, pag pauwi na kayo, which is 11, check out ka ng 11, lagay mo mga gamit mo sa sasakyan, you can still stay in the pool. See? That's talagang kaganda dito sa Great Wolf Lodge. You can still stay on the pool. Kasi magsawa ang mga bata until such time na pauwi na kayo, di ba? Ang ganda, di ba? Punta natin yung kambal dito. Good morning. Dito tayo ulit. Puntahan sila at si Mami ay mag-aayos pa ng mga gamit. Kasi nga hindi pa sila uwi dahil may activity pa dyan, susulitin pa nila. While ako naman pupunta lang sa Starbucks for my meeting for my 2 PM. Mahina kasi siyang signal sa loob. Sa Great Wolf last night, mahina, napuputol eh. Buti nila meron akong yung sa phone ko. So punta ako sa Starbucks mamaya. Alright. Sun is up. Ready to go, ready to roll. Bingo? Mami, bingo?
11.
Johan. Wow, nag-bingo sila.
So
How
close.
about you? So, what's that?
So
Full?
close.
Wow.
46.
Almost there.
G46.
Bingo. Bingo sila. Bingo si Jaden. Johan will be next. Johan, Jaden is bingo.
There's Jade. You get your price now over there.
Guys, you want more? You want some more swimming? Oh, why you have new? Did you buy this one, Mommy?
Someone gave
Who gave that?
regalo ng kamba.
Oh, look at you, Mommy. Wow. Wait, take a video first. Wait.
I also have another piece.
We're gonna go to the I'll buy something. Come on.
I also have another plushie.
Plushie? No. Hello. Yes. What you will say to Great Wolf Lodge? We had a good time. What you say? You enjoy? Look at you, Johan. You lose a lot of calorie. Alright, bye-bye, Great Wolf Lodge. We enjoy Team L'Oreal. Enjoy in Great Wolf Lodge. Woo! Great Wolf Lodge. Alright. Great Wolf Lodge, Mommy.